Hey guys, so if you're thinking about playing the Wuthering waves and you want to know if it's actually worth playing, I'm going to be right now honest, it's not worth playing at all. And here's my reason. The thing is, it's all just ridiculously addictive gameplay that is not providing any value to the human life at all. And all what this game does, like all the other games, it's just taking away your attention from yourself, from the peace that you have within. And maybe it's time right now when you're watching this video to stop consuming all the time. It's time to start awakening. So if you want, you can not think about playing it. Go to nature alone, just sit in nature and just be in nature with yourself. And there you're going to find gems within you that you were not going to find in the outside world. Good luck with that.